Welcome to this video, where we'll be discussing a common issue many Java developers face when using the Iskoola Potha font in their Swing application. Have you ever experienced a situation where some fonts in your application change automatically, even though you've specified the Iskoola Potha font? If so, you're not alone. This issue can be frustrating and challenging to resolve. In this video, we'll explore the reasons behind this behavior and provide a step-by-step guide on how to correct it. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of what's causing the problem and how to fix it, ensuring that your Java Swing application displays fonts consistently across all platforms. Why do some fonts change automatically when using the Iskoola Potha font in a Java Swing app? The answer lies in the way Java handles font rendering. When you specify a font for your application, Java doesn't always use that exact font. Instead, it tries to find the closest match on the user system. The problem arises because different operating systems have varying font libraries and rendering engines. Windows, MacOS, and Linux all have unique font settings, which can cause inconsistencies in font display. When you use a font like Iskoola Potha, which is not universally available across all platforms, Java might substitute it with a similar looking font, leading to the automatic changes you're seeing. To correct this issue, we need to ensure that our application uses the exact font we specify, without relying on system default. One way to achieve this is by embedding the Iskoola Potha font within your application itself. This approach guarantees that the font will be rendered consistently across all platforms, regardless of the user's system setting. Another solution involves using a library like FontForge or iText, which allow you to create and embed custom fonts within your Java application. These libraries provide more control over font rendering and can help resolve issues related to font substitution. It's essential to note that when working with fonts in Java Swing applications, it's crucial to consider the font licensing terms and conditions. Ensure that you have the necessary permissions to use the Iskoola Potha font or any other font you choose for your application. To summarize, we've covered the main reasons why some fonts change automatically when using the Iskoola Potha font in a Java Swing app. The primary cause is the difference in font rendering between operating systems and the way Java handles font substitution. From this video are understand how Java handles font rendering and substitution. Embed the Iskoola Potha font within your application to ensure consistent rendering. Use libraries like FontForge or iText for more control over font rendering. Always consider font licensing terms and conditions when using fonts in your application. In resolving issues related to automatic font changes in Java Swing, applications can be challenging, but with the right approach you can ensure that your application displays fonts consistently across all platforms. If you have any questions or need further clarification on this topic, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments section below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more Java-related content. We'll see you in the next video.